How to report lost or stolen Costco Citi Card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can report lost or stolen Costco Citi Card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, what you can do is you can reach out to customer support in order to report your lost or stolen Costco Citi Card. So for that, you could open up Google in your device, and in the search bar you could search for Costco Citi Customer Support. Head over to Costco Citi Customer Service. Once you search for it, a phone number or their contact number will load up on the search results. So you could dial up on that number, which is normally 1-855-387-6467. So this is the dedicated line for the Costco Visa Anywhere or Costco Anywhere Visa by Citi. So you can make a call. Once connected, follow the automated prompts, say lost card or press the number for reporting a lost or stolen card. Then you will need to verify your identity. Be ready with your full name, your date of birth, and last 4 digits of your social security number or your account number. Then the agent will cancel your lost or stolen card and will issue a replacement. Then the standard delivery takes 5 to 7 business days. You could also ask if expected shipping is available, which is free sometime. So you could also check that. Now once you get your new card, you have to activate and update any services where your old card was saved. So that's how you can report a lost card or lost Costco Citi Card through the customer support. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.